Hi, today we're going to talk about sales receipts. So, if you're constantly generating sales receipts for your business and you want a system where you can automate the generation of sales receipt files, then this video is for you. As you can see, we have got a sales receipt document that has been created in a Google Doc with all the corresponding elements that you typically find in a sales receipt. Along with this Google document, I also have a Notion database where I have created a sales receipt database with all the corresponding information that is typically available in a sales receipt file. What we're going to do today is we're going to generate a PDF file one by one for every row of this Notion database using the information from the database and the corresponding template that we have in this Google Doc. So we'll link up this Google document template, we'll link up this Notion database, and we'll create PDF files completely in automation using the information from the database. For this, first of all, head over to pdfoutput.com. This is the website which will help you create the automation setup. Click on Get Started and continue with your Google account, whatever you might have on your end, to start the automation process. Click Continue. Make sure you enable this checkbox. This is very much essential for automation process, so this checkbox must be enabled. Click on Continue. And once you are inside the PDF output dashboard, you will see a screen something like this. First thing is we need to add a Notion database to begin the automation process. So click on Add Notion database, click on Connect to Notion, and it will take you to the setup screen where you can add the database. So I will just copy this Notion database title. This is very much important. Copy this title over here and go back to your screen and click on Select Pages and just enter the title inside this search box. So I'm going to enter the title over here. Click on this, it will automatically add the database, and you can check that same over here as it has been added over here. Okay, scroll down, click on Allow Access, and now it will automatically update the database over here for your use case. If it is not coming up, simply refresh or reload the page. It will definitely be appearing over here once you have reloaded it completely. So now you can see both the databases are showing. This was the earlier database which was added, but we are interested in sales receipt. Click on sales receipt and it will load up all the sales receipt details for your use case. You can see three records have been loaded up. Click on next. It's time to add a Google document. So let me copy the Google document title from here and let me go back to add Google document over here. Click on select Google document. Jump to the document view over here and simply paste the title over here and search for it. And you can see the copy of sales receipt template is showing here. Click on this and click on select. And now we have both the database and the Google document added up for our reference. So now we need to map the fields on the Google document using the information from the database to generate the PDF file. First is the company name. So I will search for company name field if it is available. And you can see the company name field is available over here. Click on this copy icon and it will copy the company name value. Remove the part from the document which is not needed and simply use Ctrl V or Command V on the keyboard to paste the placeholder text. Next is the address. So I already have this company address over here. Click to copy, remove the part which is not needed once again, and use Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. So use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl V or Command V to paste the properties. Next is zip code, which we have over here. So let me copy this. Again, I will remove the part which is not necessary and I will paste it. So I have simply copied and pasted the properties from the database on the right side onto the Google document on the left side, and I've already mapped all the other remaining fields. You can follow this process to map all the fields on your Google document. Once all these things are done, go to the download PDF. You have different options available over here to go with all the rows or range of rows or custom rows. I will go with all the rows, and here you can select the file name which you want to use. So in my case, I'm going to use the receipt number over here, which will be used to name the PDF file. So all the files will be named as per the receipt number column, which will be appearing over here. Okay, and click on start download. Now it will start downloading the PDF files one by one. So you can wait for it as the files are getting generated. So you can see the first file is already out, which is by the name of 1001 from this row of the database. And let's wait for the other two files. So now all the three files have been created. Let's go to the download folder to check. So I have this 1001 file which has been created, and you can see all the fields have been properly mapped. These were the three fields which we had mapped during the mapping field section, and the other fields are already mapped earlier. and it has precisely been created the way we wanted. Let's check the 1003 file. This has also been correctly mapped with all the details properly generated. Let's check the 1002 file as well. This has also been correctly mapped. Okay, so basically we created three PDF files quickly with the help of the automation setup that we had wanted, and we generated three PDF files with the help of the proper mapping that we had seen over here. So first add the database, add the document, map the fields by copying and pasting, and download the PDF. If you have any questions for this, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can use this chat window at the bottom to send me a message. I'll be happy to take up issues on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.